Lamsuk phiro joto naitongnai khapangni takhok taibo kuksongno my contest Tripura YouTube channel o norok thumbnail nugin tokana kaisa job notification ongkhor phayuka abongke TRASP under ko job talangjaknai total post vacancy tongo 27 online application starting tongka 16 May 2025 to 31 May 2025 jorte last date tongnai online form fill up video channel sakang kaisa jotono request khayo kebo tini ani YouTube channel no ketal nai tongkangke kebo subscribe khai gongke subscribe khaina di tei bell icon sina tapukdi ketal video upload khaibru jotono sakang notification nongthani thangsukaina bagai abongke TNM official website o jagao notification ongkoro advertisement tainoro PDF bo o jagao download khlaimanai tai online form fill up joto details o jaga mangno norok mannai ke abo norok Google thangangke search khaidi TNM Tripura hni norok search khaikangke o website ke direct habai manai ingya ka ani video ni description link direct manai a jaga norok click khai norok oro habai mano Thajingo saitangka amongke TRASP Tribal Welfare Department oroka job teacher jangnai form fill up thajing saitangka 16 May 2025 nisimi 31 May 2025 joroti norok apply khlaina rakmano advertisement ketalong khojak singobono tabuk vacancy nailene tamtama post vacancy tong nailene full details first serial number 1 okhe tongo pula manager environment safeguard o jaga okhe vacancy tongo aboke category wise bo khakjak tongo একটা post total tongnai o jaga aboke unreserved rongbaga simi kaisa post vacancy tongo maximum age limit oro 45 year jorote apply khlaimano tai oro salary mention khlaijak 45000 per month salary tongnai minimum qualification or mention khlaijak tongo full time PG degree ba PG diploma in environmental planning by natural resource by management ecology by environmental studies by environmental science or degree in civil environmental engineering experience mention khlaijak 2 years sano jaga mention khlaijak PRTC norong jetongnai noro apply khlaimano next serial number 2 abongke procurement manager or ekta post vacancy tongo abongke sini ST rongbagi kaisa kota tongo vacancy abongke angke minimum age angke abo 45 year jorote apply khlaimano permanent salary tongnai 45000 amombo 45000 permanent salary tongnai bini qualification nangnai abongke MBA finance ebake MCOM khlaijak rok o job apply khlaina rakmanai logi 2 year experience hano samung khlaijak subject ne tuyei tai permanent resident certificate PRTC tongna nangnai job apply khlaina angke serial number 3 ajaga tongo district program manager education ajaga mention khlaijak ekta vacancy tongo abo hangke AC rombage simi kaisa tongnai estimate jotono same tongnai abo hangke 45 year jorote apply khlaimanai 45000 per month salary tongnai amobo aboke bini qualification mention khlaijak postgraduate degree in education by education policy ebake early childhood education ebake management development studies aboni bising je kaisa 2 years experience ongake o job apply khlaimanai aboke AC rongbage simi kota PRTC tongna nangnai job apply khlaina bagai serial number 4 tongo district program manager amobo ekta post tongo abo hangke buri rongbage kaisa vacancy tongnai abo hangke unreserved rongbage same abo age limit abo same tongnai tai permanent salary bo same tongnai qualification mention khlaijak BSc in agri ba horti ba BEd ebake fishery and graduation economic sociology social work social development rural management ba rural development abahai khlaijak brok apply khlaimani 2 year experience sano jaga bo ke PRTC tongna nangnai 5 ongke district manager agriculture and horticulture job mention khlaijak ekta post vacancy tongo amobo buri rongbagi tongnai post kota 45 year jorte apply khaimano same salary ke 40000 per month tongnai 40000 graduate khlaijak ba graduation khlaijak agriculture ebaka horti line jara course khlaijak borok o job apply khlaimanai minimum 1 year experience ana rongke PRTC nangnai aboke unreserved category rongbagi buri rongnai kota tong Serial number 6 tongo aboke district manager post harvest and marketing abongke ekta post vacancy tongo abongke S rombage simi kaisa tongo abongke S limit same tongnai salary ingkanga thajen kai 40,000 per month salary tongnai per month graduation klaijak agri business ebaka supply chain ebaka rural management development ba business management ba BBA abahai boni course tonga ke boro apply khlaimanai 1 year experience nangnai boni tai PRTC tongke apply khlaimanai abongke AC rongni vacancy tonga abongke 7 number tongo district manager livestock abongke duite vacancy tongo and reserve rongbage kaisa tongnai AC rombage kaisa tongo bo 45 year jorote apply khlaimano tai 40,000 per month salary tongnai abongke graduate khlaijak jara bet science borok khlaijak ke apply khlaimanai 1 year experience nango tai permanent resident certificate next serial number tongo abongke cluster coordinator agriculture and horticulture 6 vacancy tongo jagao unreserved tai AC rombage sime kota tongo unreserved hingangke brewni duita vacancy tongnai ge AC rongni hingangke ajagao tintan bisingo duita brewni vacancy tongnai arobo age limit 45 year jorote apply khlaimanai tai 35,000 per month salary manai aboke qualification ke graduate agriculture ba horticulture khlaijang ke apply khlaimanai 1 year experience nangnai tai permanent resident certificate cluster coordinator livestock and fishery ajagao ke sini ST rong kota tongo 11 total vacancy tongo apni bisingo 1 unreserved rong tongnai tai 6 vacancy tongo sini ST rongni apni bisingo brongni duita tongnai vacancy AC rong tongo aro saita vacancy apni bisingo duita brongni tongnai 45 year jorote apply khlaimano tai permanent salary 35,000 per month salary tongnai graduate khlaijak jara bet ebaga fishery khlaijak poro apply khlaimanai 1 year experience nango tai permanent resident certificate PRTC tongna nangnai apply khlainangke last tongo account officer aboke unreserved rongbage kaisa tongo PH candidate kaisa tongo abongke unreserved rongni tai sini ST rongbage kaisa kota tongo abongke 45 year jorote apply khlaimanamo 35,000 per month salary manai aboke graduation khlaijak commerce with certificate tally jara tally accounting khlaijak borok o job apply khlaimanai 1 year experience hano tai permanent PRTC nangnai o job apply khlainangke friends ong norok a job notification bade te kaisa notification tongo abo ongke taiba full details rijak tongo amongke tam bini experience tai desirable tam tongnai roles and responsibility tam tongnai bebang nor mention khlaijak tongo nor nogui mantong na scroll khai tonga ang PDF omo bo norok video ni dollar description no link direct manai norok download khlaikangke bebak no naimanai oro tam criteria tong ke tai full details kam ke saimanai norok noro official website ko phaikangke o jaga ko dollar scroll khaikangke joton sai o jaga kaisa option manana blue tick o jaga de blue tick khlaikangke agree khaikangke norok process khaimanai online form fill up khlaijaknai norok nogma tokana o jaga click khaikangke norok online form fill up khainani option tongo o jaga khlaimanai oba haike option phaikangke norok nongni email ID norok oram ready tai nongni bumu sidi tai contact number phone number di password set khaidi confirm khaidi tai norok o jaga ke kaisa caption nogona abono sikangke norok sign up khaidi norok email ID tai password norok set khaimani o jaga ke click khlaidi click khlaimani yaklo captcha ro plus khairi ro sign in khaidi norok login khlaikangke o jaga ke norok option phainai new application o jaga ke norok click khlaidi click khaikangke norok online form fill up redirect link o thangsanai no click khaikangke norok direct link phaisnai o jaga ke option nuksanai nongni bo qualification mili norok online form fill up khlaimanjanai example norok online form fill up khaina bagi apply now o jaga ke click khaikangke online form fill up khaina sikang term condition rok mention khlaijak tongo photo rok busi kibi nangnai bebak norok mention khlaijak tam document nangnai oro mention khlaijak tongo aboni yakulo norok auto lama ke continue o jaga click khaikangke norok online form fill up khlaimanjanai nogui mantokana online form fill up application o jaga ke link manjanai direct a jaga thangai norok jotono kaham ke form fill up khlaiui norok submit khlai redi submit khlaijaknai manai aro norok click khaikangke nongni form fill up submit wngnai Hingke friends ang hobo hongke kaisa job TRSP under ko job talangjanai hongke job vacancy kisa ongkhormani nog no share khlaika norok jara qualification milinai norok online form fill up khlai narok mano.